So in this Design Wizard tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add shadow to text here in Design Wizard. So once you have Design Wizard open up on your device, what I want you to do is go to the text tab right here to add some text to your design. So at the bottom right here, press on text, then press on add heading or whatever you want. Doesn't really matter. So what I'm going to do next is actually make this text a little bit larger by dragging it down, dragging the outside, and making it a little bit larger. Now, if you want to add shadow to text, it's pretty straightforward. Press on the text right here to open up this top bar right here. So there's layers, effects, the text, font, etc. I want you to press on effects right here. Then on the effects tab on the left hand side of your screen, you have shadow, outline, and a text box. Simply just press on shadow right there. Now, if you press on shadow, you can change the offset of the shadow. You can change the offset of the shadow, this way, whatever the case is. You can also change the blur if you want as well to make it more blurry, less blurry. You can also change the color. And if you wanted to do maybe a green shadow, for instance, you can do that. And there you go. Pretty straightforward. But that's how you guys can add shadow to text here in Design Wizard. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.